What's up, guys? Betty Braveview. Today we're checking a game called Animal Rivals. And yeah, we're in a tutorial, so yeah, oh, we can snap. Whoa, live camera. Yo! What the frick? Yeah, I'm gonna record on this, guys. So yeah, I'll be there. Yo, guys, we're back. Yo! Alright, let's go. Alright. Oh, I gotta grab a gun. What do I do? Oh. Oh. Oh, sweet. How do you reload? Wait, the smoke, kid. I got a freaking gun. What? Let's go. Rival lobby. Well, this is sick.
Hey, dude, I'm right here. Big bag. Big bag.
Yeah, so this game should be a game about, like,
Dude,
rivals on the
are you that
Roblox.
kid
Yeah.
that I
I've never
was
played it before, so yeah. Oh, a shirt. Yes, sir, I bought a shirt. How do I wear it?
Bro, these people are some big
How do you wear it? Where's like the wardrobe or something?
You're in my way.
Is there not a wardrobe?
With the vehicle, right?
Like 100 coins? Can I buy this? I don't think so. Yo, is there like a... What's in here? Ooh, fancy. Okay, whatever. We got this, pretty cool. Oh, this is nice. They got colors. You gotta buy colors. Are you serious right now? What the heck? Yo, what the freak? Okay, is there a wardrobe? I don't even know. I mean, or is it code? Oh yeah, I'm gonna change my name.
Hey,
No, put the gun away.
why my hand so big?
There we go.
And Justin's gonna go.
I already changed my name. Whatever.
I might be
Okay.
tweaking.
Ooh, ranked, deathmatch, duels, Hall of Heroes. I'm gonna go to deathmatch teams. I guess I'll go here. Ooh, blue team or red team? I wanna go red. I love red.
He's playing.
Enter match. Enter.
It's like sniper looking.
Oh, I got a gun.
It's
Oh
not
yeah,
like
I'm gonna
the
snipe
original
it.
sniper. It's the new weapon.
Who's on my team?
I'm in the
Is it the flintlock? That looks nothing like a flintlock.
on mission.
Why am I getting jumped by 3 people, bro?
Wait, I have no idea who's on my team.
I'm not bad.
No, it's not.
Somebody please.
Well, how do you like? I think I hit him. I'm hiding the bush.
Please.
Oh shoot! Ow! I got hit. Reload.
Try to kill you.
No, I died.
Get purple. Get purple. Get purple.
Freak! I died.
Everyone just arrived.
You have to do this every time. Are you serious?
Can I steal your flag though?
I'm sneaking on. Sneak on.
I'm off. I'm off.
Yes,
I'm not off. I'm not off. No,
Use
I'm
the
not off.
tutor.
Oh, blue team is right here. What the heck? Why did I not? Wait, am I on blue team? Wait, what team am I on?
Use the tutor.
Get the flag. Get the flag.
Yo, watch the flag.
Oh, those flags.
Kitty cat do it.
Get the Tralalero! Just reset the timer! Reset the timer! Yes, nice!
No, no.
Yeah, just reset the timer, guys. Just reset the timer. Just
Where'd I go?
Whole team goes in.
No! Oh my god, I was so close.
I resetted it.
I gotta get a kill. I
I
gotta.
resetted it. So that means y'all
I gotta
reset
get
it.
killed.
It's like 3 years, bro.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go.
Look, I'm gone. I'm
Oh,
gone.
man,
Yeah, I'm
you
gone,
take it.
bro. I'm gone.
No,
Y'all are not getting me, bro. Yes, I am. Yes, Ooh.
Yeah,
Cat, they're camping right there! Above you guys! Above
What
you!
the heck? I just got sniped.
Keep attacking us.
Guys, just shoot them. Just shoot them, bro. Just
Get
shoot
the
them.
I thought it was on red team.
Run, you made this second.
Your team
No! Behind you!
Get that.
Go get the flag! Go get the flag! Forget about our flag!
Oh my god, I'm lasering.
Our flag stays right here.
I'll push him here.
Guys, grab it! Reset the timer! Go run! Oh my
Dude, we
lord,
couldn't.
bro. Teaming, what are y'all doing, bro?
We couldn't. You guys need to learn how to do something.
You could!
Push up with your hand.
Run at it!
Apex, stop camping there because you have 2 hands.
Oh yeah, I'm cooking.
Go up there like a man. Here, I got 2 people. Do the same thing.
Yeah, that guy's so low.
Your team.
This game created you to have 2 hands. So move it.
Bro, shut your mouth, bro.
Shut your mouth and say thing.
Oh my god, this guy's one shot.
Look down. Look down.
Let's go, I got a kill.
I said look down. How do you get the flag up there? You put it on melee. How do you get a melee and you stop? How do you get it up there?
I'm reloading. No.
I'm close.
Let's go. Hey, reload. Oh, look at that. Let's go. No. Alright, that was fun.
Over here, buddy.
Hello?
I'm level 2 now. Let's go. Alright,
Where do
let's
we
go. Let's go in shooting range. Gotta practice my aim. Cause my aim was suck, bro. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, I no scope. Look. Watch this 360 no scope.
I'm not
Oh, I hit
practicing
him
here.
74.
Should be dead.
I hit the other dude.
Reload. Hey.
Everyone, I need everyone's attention. Not just you. Okay, fine, just you.
Kill. Die. Cross move. Dead. In the head. Destroyed. Dead. Behind this. Oof. Perfect. Alright. Now, how do we leave this one? How do you leave? Oh, exit. Okay, so now, see, I have 100 still. What are loadouts? I was like your new loadout. Why is this fist closed? I have no idea. Ooh, Royale. Rival Royales? What's up in here? Guys, this game is sick. Whoa. How to play? Waiting for players? Brother. Never mind. Alright, guys, let's just wait here. I'll get to y'all when we come back, okay? Alright, guys, we're back.
We're on your team.
Alright, let's go. Oh, I got a skeleton. Yo, my camera. There we go. I bet, yo. Yo, I'm new to this game. I've like never. Oh, just... You open the chest. Oh, I feel it. Ooh, 9 HP. Yeah. Why am I being shot at? I'm my own teammate. Wait, guys. Where? I'm gonna get chest over here. Ooh, accuracy. There we go. Why are we shooting each other? Guys, my headset is low, so there might be a part 2. Just I don't know. Just a heads up. No, it's just over here. Just chest where I am. There's chest over here. Over here. Alright. Let's go. How do you open this chest? There we go. Sure. Take that. There we go. Ooh, more chests. Oh crap, there's so many chests. I have 340 health. Oh my god. Well, I want to go in here. Dead? Let's go! We win!
So much.
Let's go!
Let's go.
We win! Let's go, guys! Yeah! Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all heard me, but there will be a part 2. Because my head is at low. So yeah, it won't be like long for y'all, but it'll be long for me. Look at that! Level 12! Oh my god! Oh my god, I just started this game. Let's go! Alright, oh, I gotta click it one at a time. No, up. How much do I have now? Where's the tech? Ooh, 400? Ooh, what should I buy?
I might have enough.
What does this do? Oh, a smoke slinger? Like... Ooh, a shotgun. I think I might buy a shotgun.
I also have that.
Let's go, I bought a shotgun. Should I buy a machete? Ooh, no, I want to buy this.
I just got bazooka.
Kaboom! Kablow!
Are we even in the game? Person did not ready. She got hit by a bazooka. Push it. No. And then you drag it back in there.
Where's the
Look at this. Drag it on the iron.
No way,
bro.
You're naked. You're naked. You're naked. Hey, did you know you're naked?
I know I'm naked. How do you put your shirt on? Where's like the wardrobe?
Okay, you don't know. Oh, it's over here. It's over here. Look. It's
There,
over here.
show me.
You ugly filthy rock pipe. Oh, right, girl.
Oh, right here. Oh, it's a mirror.
Click the shut button. Click the shut button. Shut button.
Oh,
Equip your shut.
there you go.
There you go.
Thank you, bro.
Can you teach me how to play?
I don't think I have anything. No, bro, I'm new too. I don't know how to play this game.
Let's go.
Well, now I understand it a little. Alright, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't grab the camera.
No, I know. Bro, I can't even have a high win streak.
Alright, y'all. There'll be a part 2, so, goodbye for now. Alright, guys, so we're back, and, yeah. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, community. Oh, let's check this. Oh, content creation. Sick. Well, that's pretty cool. A green screen picture I'm gonna put here, but it's beautiful. And they're literally awesome. They're literally the goats. Okay, so now I think we're gonna do ranked. Let's do Hall of Heroes, whatever that is. Alright, okay. What do you do here? Daily duels. Wait, what do you do? You just say here? What's in the world? Oh no. I don't know what that was, but it was something. Never done yet. So far, I have no idea though. Okay, face up against your opponent.
Money, bro. Ready? I'm gonna wait. Let me know when you play them all. I got nothing.
That was my first match.
Yo, let me get on. Let me play. Oh, this is sick.
Y'all say hi to the video.
What map are we doing? What map are we doing?
Pick a map. I never played before. Go easy.
I've never played.
I never played before.
No.
Let's do this one.
Alright, guys.
Let's do the arena.
Say hi to
Let's do the big girls arena.
No.
Say hi.
Yeah. Alright, guys, let's lock in.
Match started.
I trust in you, bro. I trust you. All of you, bro. All of you.
Well, I'm new to this game, but I got this.
And let's go, bro. And let's go.
Welcome.
Got him.
On me. Let's go. Got him.
Got him.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Good stuff, y'all. Good job, y'all.
We're
Round
Avengers.
started.
I'm gonna go inside. Right here. On me.
Oh,
Hit him. 94. Nice.
got him.
Oh no, I'm dead. Get him.
I'm trying.
Get him.
I can't. My controller
Get him.
is dropped. Oh my
Come on,
gosh.
teammate.
I'm trying.
Don't mess up. Let's go.
No.
Come on, guys.
We're dead.
Go.
Hey. No. Maybe that's why blue sucks.
No, that wasn't better. What's that? Pink penalty, watch 5 seconds. What? Yo, what was that? Why am I a ghost? Alright, I think that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be muscle. Try to get 500 subs, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you also go check out Animal Rival, it's pretty fun. And yeah, peace out, y'all.